Greetings everyone, welcome to Southern New Hampshire University Justice 224 Legal Research Methods. Today we're going to talk just very briefly about discussion 6.1. I have some suggestions for you on this that will make not only discussion 6.1 go easier, but also your short paper assignment activity 6.2 for this class. Okay, number one, read chapter 8 in the book. It's only about 20 pages, but it will clearly and distinctly explain, cover, and outline for you everything you need to know, well, pretty much everything you need to know. You got to do some thinking for discussion 6-1 plus the paper 6-2. So very specifically on page 186, it explains what shepherdizing a case is. That only runs for a page and a half. On pages 188 to 93, there are outlines that show you the basics of how it occurs or why you're doing it. Then it shows you there are 10 steps to follow. And then the next is there's actually an example of steps 1 through 7, the meat of the matter, if you will. Okay. Then on pages 199 and 200 explains how to do this online. So the prompt, the actual question for discussion board 6-1 is explain why it's so important to make sure that any law we rely on upon resolving a legal issue is still good law, meaning that it has not been overruled or changed through some other legal process. Okay, and so a law is passed today by a state legislature. It goes into effect, and 1 year from now an appellate court, a Supreme Court, overturns it and says no, it's not, it's too vague, it's unconstitutional, so that law goes away. Well, if you're doing research and you still think it's valid, then your research isn't valid. Okay, so what shepherdizing does is it gives you the opportunity, a method, a research method to figure that out. What you're going to write about in the discussion board is why that's important. Okay. In addition, explain how you can be certain that a law is still good. And then once you've posted that, in response to your peers, your first and second replies, discuss potential problems that could result from using an outdated or overruled court decision to solve a legal issue. So if we're looking at it strictly from criminal justice point of view, what could happen is an innocent person is sent to prison. That would be one. The opposite would be true. A guilty person would not be charged or would walk, if you will. Okay, I don't think you'll struggle too much with 6.1. I'm trying to give you a jump start on 6-2, that short paper. As always, keep those cards and letters coming. Let me know what I can do to help you.